What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa, and you guys know when the subject is hair, I'm gonna be all over it. I love seeing and trying new awesome hairstyles, and of course, I love seeing what you guys are up to with your hair as well. So today, I wanna make sure that you watching this video can go from regular, basic, mediocre hair to amazing hair with just a few steps that are gonna change your life. First things first is you need to use the right shampoo and conditioner. I used to be that guy who would just walk into a store, buy the first shampoo and conditioner that was on sale, and get out. I didn't know any better, and I just knew that I needed to use shampoo and conditioner in my hair. I had no idea why, to be honest with you. The thing is, shampoo needs to be good. It needs to clean out all of that dirt from your hair, all of that pollution without drying it out. It needs to give your hair the right vitamins and also protect it throughout the day. So take some time to try out a few different brands and see what works best for you. But most importantly, guys, you need to use shampoo way less than you think. All right, I only shampoo my hair every 2 to 3 days, sometimes even more. I have dry scalp, so if I shampoo every day, my scalp and my hair would be super dry and dull. But I do use conditioner every time I wash my hair, and that gives it some shine. It makes it really soft, so that's perfect. Tip number 2 today, guys, finding the right hair product. Look, back in the day, I used to buy the $2 gel and then just dump it on my head, and then I would just try to style it. It looked terrible. I'm so glad that I decided to do my research to find the right styling products. And as you guys know, I've been researching and testing hair products for almost 4 years now. That's why I'm really happy to finally announce the Forte Series Texture Clay. All right, this is the hair clay that you've been waiting for. This is the holy grail of hairstyling products. It took me almost 2 years to develop what you see here. And I'll tell you why. Mostly because I'm really picky when it comes to hair products. I wasn't gonna put my name on something that was just kind of good. It needed to be perfect. Unlike other clays that just give out halfway through the day, this here is an extreme high hold clay. So your hairstyle is gonna last all day long. But the real magic is that it's reworkable. So you can still move your hair around and restyle it if you want to. Like I'm wearing it right now. You can see that it's still pliable, it's still flexible, but it's got that hold, that all-day hold. It's also gonna give you really nice texture, and that helps create these strands of hair right here that you see and put them together to make it look amazing and full of definition and contrast. Plus, we added argan oil to this Forte clay so it nourishes your hair all day as you leave it on. Besides that, this is a 3.4 ounce jar, which means this is the biggest size that we could make this while keeping it travel friendly, which is important to me. So you're getting a lot of product here. Forte is launching on October 24th. That's in just about 2 weeks. And we have a limited amount of product, so I would definitely check out the website, set a reminder on your calendar, and be ready for the launch on October 24th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And to celebrate this launch, I'm doing a massive giveaway. I've never done a giveaway this big before. All right, there's gonna be 10 winners, first of all, so we've got a lot of winners. You have lots of chances to win. First place is gonna get 1 year supply of Forte clay and an exclusive one-on-one style consultation with me. I'll call you, we'll chat one-on-one, and I'll help you out. Second prize is 3 jars of Forte, 1 Anson belt set, and 1 original grain watch. The prize is worth almost $400, and the other 8 winners will get 1 jar of Forte each. All you have to do to enter is go to the link in the description below and enter your email. That's it, it's free, and I'm gonna announce the winners on October 23rd, the day before the launch. Guys, I hope you're excited because I put so much work into this jar. I'm beyond happy to launch this, and I'm so excited to see what amazing hairstyles you guys are gonna create with this product. Thank you so much for the support. You guys have been amazing, man. And just thank you for waiting this long for this product. I get it. It took a long time, but I guarantee it was worth the wait. So go check out the website, forteseries.com. I hope you guys are ready. I'm pumped. Number 3 is apply a coconut oil mask once a week. That's it. All right, coconut oil is so good for your hair. It's an easy and natural way to help your hair grow longer, healthier, and faster. It's one of the best moisturizers for your hair also because it's packed with vitamin E. What I like to do is apply it and leave it on for about 20 minutes to an hour while, you watch some Netflix or get some work done on your laptop. It doesn't really matter. Then you just wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. Your hair is gonna feel 10 times nicer. Trust me. And the good thing is that you can find really cheap coconut oil as well. Just look on Amazon, you're gonna find a bunch of affordable options. Number 4 is something that all you guys need to start doing right this second. Be vocal with your barber. Look, a good haircut is the base to any good hairstyle. You need a good haircut to have a good hairstyle. So you need to make sure that whoever's cutting your hair is doing a good job. This is extremely important. If you're getting a haircut, if you're paying for it, right, and you see that your barber is doing something that you don't like, then let him know. Open your mouth, say something, you know, don't just sit there and watch him mess up your cut because you're gonna regret that later. And even better, guys, why not talk to him before he even starts cutting your hair? Be very vocal, explain what you like and what you don't. You know, if you say, I like it long on top and short on the sides, that could literally mean 100 different hairstyles. So be vocal, be specific, bring pictures or videos or whatever you want to explain exactly what it is that you want. Because without a visual, you know, it's a lot harder. And with a picture and a video, it makes it so much easier for your hair guy or girl to see what you want. Plus, you know, being friends with your barber is always a good idea, right? You're gonna spend a lot of time sitting on that chair, so be friendly and be nice to that guy or that girl. Number 5, guys, do not blow dry your hair too much. I know I always talk about blow drying and how nice your hair looks after it, and I blow dry my hair a lot. But here's the thing, don't overdo it because heating your hair at super high temperatures every single day obviously is not good for your hair. It's been proven that it can really damage it and cause split ends, breakage, and other things. So if you're blow drying a lot, use a heat protectant and try to keep that nozzle to about 4 to 5 inches away from your hair whenever possible so you're not super heating it. And of course, guys, don't just buy any blow dryer. If you're gonna be using it a lot, make sure that you're smart about what you're spending your money on. Again, guys, the Forte Series Texture Clay is launching on October 24th and it will sell fast, all right? So make sure to go to the website linked in the description below, enter the giveaway, and set a reminder for 9 a.m. Pacific time. Finally, took so long, all right? If you learned something new today, and I really hope that you did, then you hit the subscribe button below. Become part of the YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Peace.